Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng UE Red Warriors ang NU Bulldogs 74-58. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Precious Momoe sa likod ng kanyang 17 points at 17 rebounds. Pinataob naman ng DLSU Green Archers ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 80-65. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Kevin Kiambao matapos nagtala ng bagong career high 33 points at may kasamang 13 rebounds. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 26, 2024. DLSU Green Archers 10 wins 1 loss. UP Fighting Maroons 7 wins 1 loss. UE Red Warriors 6 wins 3 losses. UST Growling Tigers 4 wins 6 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Adamson Soaring Falcons 3 wins 6 losses. FEU Tamaraws 3 wins 6 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 3 wins 7 losses. NU Bulldogs 2 wins 8 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 27, 2024 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Magtutos ang UP Fighting Maroons at Adamson Soaring Falcons alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang UST Growling Tigers at FEU Tamaraws alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.